Greetings everybody. So we want to do a little video about our frame range, or our hard up chopper frame range, which is produced by Gasoline Alley Speed Shop. The first thing you need to know is that all our frames are fabricated to a standard welding procedure following the welding code of practice. So you know that our frames are safe and that our work is guaranteed. Okay, so this is the Vegan Eater. Now, the Vegan Eater is designed specifically for twin engines. Most of our customers are using British engines, and as you can see, nice and narrow at the bottom, lines in nicely. Here, this frame as it is around about 15 kilos, goes up to about 17 kilos once we've got the headstock bearing cups, which are supplied also when you buy the frame, and the engine mount kit. Again, that depends on the engine that you're going to use. There's 280mm on this frame between the axle plates. Again, depends what size wheel you want to use. We can machine up in-house any spacers depending on what wheel you want, and obviously while we're laser lining it up, we can make sure that everything is central. All our frames come with rear wheel adjusters, and we can supply our laser cut engine mount kits for pretty much any engine if we're fitting it in here. Obviously it depends on the engine and it depends on the customer's requirements, but we can pretty much do what you need, including our own machined engine spacers, depending on what we want to use. The rake on this as standard is between 32 and 34 degrees. Again, we can alter that, but we found that that kind of works best with a standard format, but it really depends what you want to put in it. The axle plate's 15mm thick. The backbone length on this is 590mm, but we can tweak them a bit, alter it a bit, depending on what you want, but this is our basic sort of standalone frame for that, for a British engine really. Engine mount wise, we can weld whatever you want in any position and fit any engine. Again, it depends what engine you're going to use, what exhaust system you want to use. As this stands, this will sit about 4 inches off the ground, so it's a fairly low frame, but again, depending on the forks and wheels, we can alter that. Thanks for watching, it's much appreciated. Please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see when we're uploading new videos.